Welcome back everybody, it's Gold Iron Bat 21 here from Golden Gaming Bats. Today I'm just going to do a short little video of my first part of my firework, I want to say haul, I could be totally wrong, but, or stash, something. Okay, so, yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so the first thing on my, in my firework stash or haul, is this little smoke grenade. I actually got this for 50 cents, so it was pretty cheap. I went to this place where I live. It's like, doesn't really have a name at all, it just carries whatever brand of fireworks. And some of the prices were pretty good, some of the prices were not so good. But yeah, I got this for 50 cents. See on the back. Anyways, I don't think it's picking it down. Anyways, well yeah, I got this for 50 cents. So yeah, I'm not sure if it's just gonna be purple or not. It could be any color. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be purple though. And this is by Boomer. I've never used their fireworks before. So yeah, let me focus on there. Yeah, see that's. There's the brand Boomer, and here, yeah, see, 50 cents. So yeah, I'll probably do a demo video on this and go pick up some more if I like it, so yeah. Second thing we have is this little thing that comes with 8 little mini fountains. This is from Black Hat, and this is I want to say that's the number 1. We do 100% wrong. So that's a 4-color fountains. These were $1.50. It's a pretty good price on there. Yeah, I'm gonna end up doing a demo video on some of these guys. I think I'm gonna do a demo video on this, these specifically. I lit one off last night. They're pretty cool. Yeah, these guys are pretty cool. Alright, so third on the list we have some Red Hot firecrackers. I picked this up for like $1.50. Well, $1.49 technically. So it's pretty cheap. That was pretty cheap. It comes with 20 in here. It's a pretty good price. There you go. There's really no, I don't know what the brand on these are. Sit back, the packaging. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do a demo on these. Because I haven't seen one on YouTube at all. So yeah, each one comes with 8. So yeah, it's 8 crackers on each little thing. There's 20 total. So I think I might do a comparison video between these and Black Cat firecrackers or something. So yeah. All right. So the fourth thing we have on this list is Kryptonite. Well, Kryptonite. These are just like big sparkling balls, crackling balls, sorry. And you can get these in green and purple. I might even do a demo on these. They're pretty cool. I picked this thing up for $3. And I think it's pretty cool. So yeah. Here's the back. I don't know what the brand is on these fireworks. So yeah, I think I might do a demo on these as well. So yeah, and I picked these up for $3. So if I didn't already say that, yeah, I picked these up for $3. I practically paid like $1 for each, so they better be good. Alright, the fifth thing on my list is little Dynamite. I picked these each up for $2.50, so $5 each for both of them. So it was pretty cheap actually. It's really cheap actually. So yeah, see, $2.50. Little Dynamite. It's like my favorite firecrackers. They're waterproof too. I might do a demo on these and show you different places. Put these guys and how much damage they do and stuff. So yeah, it says firework type, firecracker performance description, 100 pieces of the loudest cracker in the market. So yeah, these are pretty cool. These are from Black Cat. These are like the best. So I have 200 in total for $5. So that was pretty good. Price for both of these guys. Alright, so the last thing on our list is Whistling Moon Travelers with Report. I love these guys. These are so awesome. These are just really cool. They make an awesome whistling sound as they go up, and then they just blow up in midair. So might do a demo on these. These are $7, so I think it's actually cheaper than going to Black Cat and buying these. I think it's like $8-9 to pick one of these guys up. So it's 144 pieces. Yeah, these guys are awesome. They come in little packages. Let's see. So yeah, I might do a demo video on that. Alright, so that was my haul, my full haul for stash video. Tell me which one you guys would like a demo on in the comments down below. So yeah, this is just the first one. This is number 1 of my stash or haul. I'm going to be going to the outlets soon and getting a whole bunch more. So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. See you guys next time.